Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I'd like to show you how to fix this problem. Sometimes when you add clothes to your model you get like this problem. How to fix it and make the clothes look smooth and look normal, because like this look fake. Okay, so we have this character here and let's see. So I select my character and I add, for example, like that. So I change the color of this clothes like that. Here I have the problem. Let's see. You can see here this problem does not look real. So how to fix it? You need just to go to parameter and okay, so first select the clothes, go to parameter and select mesh smoothing. Then you don't change anything here. You go to smoothing interactions and just change the value. Make it, for example, 20 and see, for example, this 20, 30, 40 until you fix it, until like look good for you. So let's make it, for example, 50. I think 50 is good. You can see now it's look normal. So let's see another example. Let's select our character and go, for example, this clothes here. So you can see now, so I need to change the color of this clothes. Okay, so you can see here the problem. Let's look here, white, and here we have a problem exactly in this area here. You can see the problem here. So do the same, just select the clothes, go to parameter, mesh smoothing, then we go to smoothing interactions and just change the value. Make it, for example, 10. 10 here have some problem. For example, let's change it to 15. Okay, 15 looks great. I think 15 is good. Here you can see that it's really easy to do. Just last thing, guys, I'd like to show you something. Last thing. So here we have, for example, this clothes here. We select the clothes. So when you go to parameter and select mesh smoothing, sometimes you don't have mesh smoothing. You have all this parameter and you don't have mesh smoothing. So don't worry about that. Just select your clothes. Don't have mesh smoothing. Okay. Just go to edit, then object, then geometry, then add smoothing modifier. Click here. So of course, because I already have it here, just click add smoothing modifier. We do it again. So object, geometry, add smoothing modifier, and you get here mesh smoothing, and do the same. Just go to smoothing interactions and change the value until you get the best look. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and share the video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Ciao.